The average knowledge worker saves 50-plus articles per week, but reads fewer than 10. Read Later apps with smart features close that gap, but choosing the wrong one means your saved articles become a digital graveyard. Readwise Reader combines Read Later, RSS, email newsletters, and PDFs in one app. Its killer feature is spaced repetition. Highlights resurface at intervals to cement them in memory. Best for serious learners who want their reading to compound into lasting knowledge. Matter focuses on the reading experience itself, beautiful typography, distraction-free layout, and social features that let you follow what smart people are reading. Audio narration lets you listen to articles. Best for people who value aesthetics and want a social reading community. Omnivore is free, open source, and respects your privacy. It handles articles, PDFs, and newsletters with solid highlighting and labeling. Obsidian and Notion integrations sync your highlights automatically. Best for privacy-conscious users and Obsidian Power users. Readwise Reader if you can afford $8 per month. The spaced repetition alone is worth it. Omnivore if you're budget-conscious or privacy-focused. Matter if reading is a social activity for you. All three beat Safari Reading List or Chrome Bookmarks by miles. All three apps have free trials. Links in the description. Try your match for 2 weeks with your actual reading workflow. Let me know in the comments which one stuck.